cut through metal, smooth rough edges, and power through tough jobs with precision without wasting time on weak tools. The best angle grinders let you do exactly that. These versatile machines deliver high performance, durability, and control for cutting, grinding, and polishing. With powerful motors, ergonomic designs, and improved safety features, you get cleaner results with less effort. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the right angle grinder can transform your workflow. In this video, we break down the top 5 angle grinders that offer power, reliability, and unbeatable value. Make sure to check the updated links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the AVID POWER MW590. The AVID POWER MW590 is one of the best budget-friendly angle grinders for solid basic performance. If you want a compact, easy-to-handle tool that still delivers strong and reliable performance for your daily grinding and cutting, this grinder fits perfectly into your workflow. Here you will get a 9,000-watt motor. It delivers up to 12,000 revolutions per minute. So you will have fast cutting speed and smooth grinding across metal and other materials. So you can use it in light-level tasks. One of the best parts is you can easily change wheels. The 4.5-inch grinder comes with features like a standard spindle size that works with most major brand wheels. So you will get more flexibility when choosing accessories. Plus, the integrated spindle lock makes disc replacement quick and simple. Hence, you can spend more time working and less time changing tools. For better safety and comfort, you will get the tool-free adjustable guard. As a result, you can quickly reposition the shield to direct sparks. Moreover, it debris away from you while working. The lightweight body and 2-position side handle help you maintain a firm, so you can easily have a balanced grip whether you're right-handed or left-handed. It also reduces fatigue during longer projects. Despite its AVID POWER grinder power tool, you can use it for metal cutting, grinding, polishing applications like sharpening lawnmower blades and other metal tools/power. So, it is ideal for long hours of work. If you want a compact, comfortable, and affordable angle grinder that performs well in tight spaces and daily tasks, this grinder might be your ideal choice. The 4th place on our list is the Bosch GWS8-45. The Bosch GWS8-45 is the best angle grinder with a compact and lightweight design. If you need something lightweight yet powerful for daily grinding and cutting, this grinder fits perfectly into your workflow. You will get a 7.5 amp motor that delivers up to 11,000 revolutions per minute, which provides a fast cutting speed and smooth grinding across various materials, including metal. It's powerful enough for welders, mechanics, and DIY users, while still being easy to control for more precise work. The slim and ergonomic design makes it special. The narrow grip feels comfortable in your hand and reduces strain, making it easier to work for longer periods without fatigue. Its compact size also helps you reach tight spaces where larger grinders struggle, giving you more flexibility on the job. Durability is another strong point. The directed airflow system helps keep dust away from critical components, extending the life of the tool. On top of that, the durable carbon brushes are built to last, and the service minder brushes automatically stop the tool when maintenance is needed, so you don't have to guess. You also get practical features that improve everyday use. The 2-position side handle gives you better control and can be adjusted for left or right-handed use. The burst protection guard adds an extra layer of safety, while the large spindle lock makes changing discs quick and simple. If you want a compact, comfortable, and dependable angle grinder that performs well in tight spaces and daily tasks, this is an excellent choice for you. The 3rd product on our list is the DeWalt DWE402. The DeWalt DWE42 is one of the best angle grinders for aggressive cutting and grinding. Whether you need strong power, long-lasting durability, and reliable performance in a compact design and are ready for heavy-duty work, this tool easily delivers your expected task. With a powerful 11-amp motor running at 11,000 revolutions per minute, giving you an excellent power-to-size ratio, that means you can cut, grind, and shape metal quickly while still maintaining control. Whether you're working on professional jobs or serious DIY projects, It feels fast, smooth, and dependable every time you use it. What really makes this grinder stand out is its smart durability features. The dust ejection system actively pushes harmful dust and debris out of the tool, helping protect the motor and extend its life. Combined with oversized brushes that last twice as long and a large spiral bevel gear, you get a grinder built to handle long-term use without losing performance. The one-touch guard allows full 360-degree adjustment with a single action, while the quick-change wheel release lets you swap discs without needing a wrench. These small features save you time and make your workflow much smoother. Safety is also well designed. The paddle switch with a lock-off feature helps prevent accidental starts, giving you better control while working. Plus, the auto-off brushes shut down the tool when maintenance is needed, protecting it from damage. Despite its power, it feels comfortable in your hands due to the compact grip and ergonomic side handle, reducing fatigue during long jobs. If you want a powerful, durable, compact, and easy-to-use angle grinder that handles tough tasks with confidence, this one can be the perfect pick for you. The second product on our list is the Metabo WP11-125 Quick. The Metabo WP11-125 Quick is a premium angle grinder built for heavy-duty industrial use. It gives you serious performance, pro-level power, safety, and durability in one solid tool. If you want a grinder that feels powerful, precise, and built to last, this one easily stands out. You get an 11-amp German-engineered motor that delivers up to 11,000 revolutions per minute, along with up to 50% more torque and higher overload capacity. That means faster cutting, smoother grinding, and consistent performance even under heavy workloads. Whether you're working on metal or masonry, it handles demanding jobs without slowing down. The Metabo Long Life motor includes advanced dust protection, optimized airflow, and epoxy-coated copper windings, helping extend the tool's lifespan even in tough environments. It's made to keep running strong when other grinders would struggle. Safety is a major highlight here. The Metabo S automatic mechanical slip clutch helps reduce kickback if the disc jams, giving you better control and confidence while working. The non-locking paddle switch adds another layer of safety, making the operation feel more secure and responsive. With the M-Quick system, you can change discs instantly without tools, saving you time on the job. The adjustable guard is tool-free as well, and the gear housing can rotate in 90-degree steps, making it perfect for both right and left-handed use. Despite its power, it's designed for comfort. The slim handle and ergonomic grip reduce fatigue, so you can work longer with better control. If you want a high-performance, professional-grade angle grinder that delivers power, safety, and long-term reliability, this is an excellent premium choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the DongCheng DSM17-115P. The DongCheng DSM17-115P is the best overall angle grinder for professionals with excellent performance. If you want powerful performance, durability, and total control, also delivers a strong, reliable grinding experience that feels professional the moment you pick it up. With its 9.2-amp copper motor pushing up to 11,800 revolutions per minute, you get the power you need for cutting, grinding, and polishing across different materials. Whether you're working on metal, tiles, or general DIY projects, the performance feels fast, smooth, and consistent without slowing you down. You will appreciate the comfort hand grip. The lightweight 4.2-pound build, combined with a slim 59mm grip design and shock-proof handle, helps reduce vibration so you can work longer without fatigue. It's designed for control, especially when using both hands on tougher jobs. Safety is another big advantage here. The no lock-on paddle switch uses a 2-stage power system to prevent accidental starts, giving you better control every time you turn it on. Moreover, the tool-free guard lets you quickly adjust or rotate the guard 360 degrees without any hassle, saving you time during your work. Durability is also a key strength. With heat-treated gears and an efficient air vent system, this grinder handles heat and dust well, making it reliable for long-term use. It also supports most 4.5-inch accessories, so you can easily switch between tasks. If you want a powerful, easy to handle, and dependable angle grinder that covers all your needs, this is the best overall choice for you. That's all for our list of the top 5 best angle grinders on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.